परिस्थिति कुछ ऐसी है कि आसपास नहीं हैं हम। है ये मुश्किल की घड़ी लेकिन आस रखे हुए हैं हम। हरा देंगे इस कोविड-19 की महामारी को साथ मिलकर। बस बुलंद रखो इरादा मन में कि जीत जाएंगे हम। Hello friends, my name is Shikhar Soni and I welcome you all to this video presentation on the topic 7 steps to prevent spread of coronavirus, a project by me, Shivam Jaiswal, Shraddha Verma, Shubham Agrawal and Sambhudatta Patra, the students of B.Ed first year in Mahatma Gandhi College, Raipur. We have received the guidance from Dr. Sonali Channawar ma'am, who is the principal of our college. As we all know that we have been facing a crisis of COVID-19 pandemic globally. This pandemic has taken millions of lives and need of the hour is to adopt some easy and crucial steps through which we can avoid the transmission of disease. But before that, let's have a look over the short brief of disease and its symptoms. So, the COVID-19 is coronavirus disease 2019, which is caused by coronavirus named as SARS-CoV-2. And the symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing. Various modes of transmission are when an infected person sneezes, then infected droplets travel in the air, and while coming in the close proximity to the surroundings of the infected person, the virus gets transferred to the healthy person's body either through hand or touching the surface. And in this way, the virus enters the healthy person's body and he also becomes infected. And now coming to the main theme of this video, that is the most valuable, significant and fundamental 7 steps to prevent the spread of COVID-19. So the first and the easiest step is wash your hands frequently after coming from outside, after and before eating, after touching things which are coming from outside. Please wash your hands frequently and make it a day-to-day habit and keep yourself hygienic. The second one is avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth, as hands touch many surfaces and can pick up viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose or mouth. From there, the virus can enter your body and can make you sick.
Hey, you. Want to be a part of the solution for reducing COVID-19? Don't touch your face. Say it with me. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. That's your eyes, nose, and mouth. When the dust settles, we'll likely not spend the rest of our lives wearing a face mask and standing 6 feet away from each other. But there's one thing we can do that I hope we won't forget. Don't touch your face.
The third one is cover your cough using the band of your elbow or a tissue, as covering your cough and sneeze bring down the chances of spread of infected droplets in the surrounding. As you can see in this pic that how much crowd is there. So our fourth step is avoid crowded places and close contact with anyone that has fever or cough. Since various regions in our country is facing lockdown, so we also urge you all that until and unless it is not necessary, don't let yourself involved in such a crowded exposure, as it may be very critical for you and your family members. I am presenting some lines in this context that सूचना जनहित में जारी, जिसको अपनी जान प्यारी, खत्म हो जाएगी ये महामारी अगर घर पे रहेगी दुनिया सारी. So our fifth step is stay at home if you feel unwell. Stay home, stay safe. घर पे रहें, सुरक्षित रहें. And while staying at home, stay physically fit, exercise regularly, eat a nutritious diet, and obviously don't smoke. It's a message from WHO. Our sixth step is if you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early, but call first. And while going to hospital, please follow the COVID-19 protocol. So our seventh and the last step is to get information from trusted sources, as this has become very important to have a correct information, and that too from trusted and genuine sources, to avoid misinterpretation and misguidance. Our trusted sources can be World Health Organization, government ministries, and UNICEF. So, summarizing the video, the precautions we must take to fight against the COVID 19 are: stay at home, wash your hands frequently with soap and clean water, avoid touching your face, clean and disinfect surface regularly, practice social distancing, wear a mask, and eat healthy. So, this is the end of our video. Thank you for listening. Stay safe, spread happiness, help each other, as the candle loses nothing on lighting another candle. Thank you.